This is the story of a girl who broke free. Her family said, "Stay safe here." Her fear said, "Don't go." But her heart said, "Run." She had almost nothing, just a small bag, some secret money, and one big dream. What if you were in her shoes, trapped in a remote village with big dreams? This is how she escaped and changed everything forever. The crazy part? She did it with just 5 simple rules anyone can follow. Many years ago, in a remote, unfamous village, lived a girl named Sarah. Every day was the same. Help mom cook, work on the farm, sleep, repeat. But Sarah dreamed bigger. Every night she sat on the old fence, watching cars speed down the nearby road. Those cars meant freedom, a new city, new chances. Her dad was a good man, but very strict. "The big world is scary, Sarah. A girl can't make it alone." Sarah looked at her rough hands from farm work and decided, rule number 1, your dream is stronger than your fear. One foggy morning before sunrise, she packed a backpack with clothes, a blanket, and money her mom secretly gave her. She left a note, "Don't worry, I'm going to chase my dreams. I'll be okay." The city hit her hard. Tall buildings, loud cars, bright lights everywhere. No one knew her. No one helped. For weeks, she heard no over and over. No job here. Come back later. She lived in a tiny, cold room. Some days she ate cheap food. Other days she went hungry. But she kept going. She told herself, rule number 2, every no gets you one step closer to yes. She didn't quit. One rainy day, she saw an old lady selling apples at the market. "Can I help?" Sarah asked. The lady looked at her. "What do you know?" "Nothing yet," Sarah said, "but I'm ready to learn." The lady smiled and taught her. Stack apples nice, call out to people, watch for tricks. Sales started slow, but Sarah smiled, worked hard, and stayed honest. Soon, customers came back. She earned her first real money with her own hands. It felt great. Sarah worked every day, early morning to late night. She learned to count money, talk to customers, handle stock. People noticed her smile and hard work. Then a kind man, Mr. Johnson, watched her for weeks. "You're smart and strong," he said. "Want to learn real business?" Sarah said yes fast. Rule number 3, when you work hard, good chances find you. Mr. Johnson showed her how to buy cheap, sell smart, and save money. Sarah saved every penny. After 1 year, she rented her own small stand. She painted it bright, added colorful signs, and sold fruits, fresh bread, and cookies she baked at night. Her little shop grew fast. Customers loved her friendly way. Sarah felt proud. She was strong and in charge. Years went by. Sarah's shop got bigger. She even hired helpers. Then a letter came from her little brother Timmy. "Dad's sick. Mom misses you so much. Come if you can." Sarah's heart felt heavy. She took the bus home. The old house looked the same, but Sarah was different, confident, strong. Mom ran out crying and hugged her tight. "My girl!" Dad came slowly, eyes down. "I'm sorry, Sarah. I was scared for you." She hugged him too. "It's okay, Dad. You taught me to work hard. That's why I made it." Rule number 4, never forget where you started. She left food, medicine, and money for them. "Thanks for everything. I'll come back more." Back in the city, Sarah opened a bigger store. She counted profits, gave orders, and helped other people start small, just like she did. Her dream came true. So what's the last rule? Rule number 5. Your life is your choice. Choose to fight. Dreams need courage. Hard work wins. Stay honest and patient. Success comes. Start today. Believe in your dream. And remember these 5 rules. Did this story touch you? Which rule means the most to you right now? Write rule number in the comments below. If you want more simple English stories with real motivation to help you learn and grow, subscribe and hit the bell. Your new start is waiting. See you next time.